Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and a bit of a different unboxing, not a watch day, but some a watch roll. A while back I did a review of a Mozsly watch winder and they asked me the other week if I wanted to check out their new watch rolls. And disclaimer, I did receive this for free and I do get to keep it. The watch winder has been running. I use it to wind my daily Jack Turner beater and it kept up really nice. So what do we have here? We have a bag in the box. Sorry about the voice, I'm a bit under the weather, blaming my toddler for that. Inside the bag we have a little note from the Mozsly people. Really nice people over at Mozsly. And here we have, oh, that's nice. It's fabric. Can open it up, can save it, can put other stuff in it. Nice. Always nice with little gifts. And here we have the new watch roll. In orange. They have the orange, the black one. I thought the orange one looked a bit funky. And that's nice. It's quite retro, isn't it? Fits well with my apartment. What type of a roll is it? A bit stiff, but it's brand new. Seems like some kind of suede on the inside, and it's one of these ones. This means that you don't have to fiddle around like opening and closing and stuff. You can just slide it in and out. It keeps the structural integrity of the watch roll. And yeah, this is nice. This is really cool actually. I'm going on a trip tomorrow, so I'm gonna use this for that. Let's see how it looks when we put some watches in it. Let's take the Van Banner Adroit that I'm wearing almost every other day. And that's nice. It's I have smaller wrists, but even bracelets size to my smaller wrist, like this Christopher Ward I'm currently have home for review. Works very well. Very nice actually. I'm gonna enjoy using this watch roll. Yeah, the quality is actually top. Link down below. No affiliate codes or similar, but they did send me this roll to keep for free and I'm really glad they did. That's cool. Easy to shut. Nice quality. Awesome. Thank you so much for sending this one over, Mozsly. Go check them out in the link below. And that's it, guys. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.